Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video we will learn: what is evaluation in social work? Importance of evaluation in social work. Types of evaluation in social work practice. What is evaluation in social work? Social work relies on the delivery of various services to assist an individual, family, group, or community in need. The evaluation process in social work involves using quantitative and qualitative measurements to assess whether the services achieved the desired outcome. In short, did the intervention help? Did it help in the way it was intended? Did a social work program provide the desired support to a community, or did it fall short? Without evaluating social work interventions, social workers are in the dark about which types of services are successful and which aren't. Likewise, without social work program evaluation, the success or lack of success of a program may be based on subjective views of a few people with no real data to back up a conclusion. Importance of evaluation. The evaluation social work practitioners' conduct provides an important way for them to continually optimize what they do to make their service delivery more effective. Social work evaluation is a critical tool for improving social work programs and strengthening the community served through these social services. On an individual level, psychosocial evaluation and social work self-evaluation examples help a care professional learn more about the needs of a patient or client so they can create more targeted care plans. Evaluation of social work practice helps everyone, from the client to the social worker to the agency offering social programs, by providing the information needed to optimize social work services. Types of evaluation in social work practice. Client evaluation social work professionals use. Psychosocial evaluation. Social work self-evaluation examples. Social worker practice evaluation in social work. Client feedback. Outcome evaluation of social work. Goal attainment scaling. Program evaluation in social work. Formative evaluation. Process implementation evaluation. Outcome effectiveness evaluation. Impact evaluation. Summative evaluation.